The European Union and India are partners in progress, with a friendship spanning over 55 years.
The EU and India are strategic partners. We share the same values of democracy, of pluralism. We believe in an open society. And we believe in multilateralism. That's particularly important now as we face a global crisis. And global crises require global responses. That's why we are working together, bilaterally and in multilateral fora. We have to mitigate the impact of the virus. We have to foster research on vaccines. We need to protect health and livelihood of our citizens. We will also have to coordinate responses to the economic fallout of the crisis today. In short, we are all in this together, and together we must act.
The European Union-India strategic partnership rests on shared values and interests. Over the past years, our cooperation has broadened in scope and increased in depth. Collaborating towards our mutual priorities has become even more relevant in today's fast-changing world, going well beyond this global crisis. Growing convergence on global issues has increased foreign policy and security consultation and cooperation. Together, we address counter-terrorism, maritime security, non-proliferation, and cyber-security. Bilateral exchanges like summits, high-level meetings, and visits have provided a political push. The next European Union-India Summit will have India play a key role in strengthening the European Union's engagement with Asia. The European Union is India's largest trading partner and a leading investor in India. European Union companies in India have added several million jobs to the economy. The European Union has bolstered its position as India's leading partner in green and sustainable technologies, guided by common commitments to the Paris Agreement, Sustainable Development Goals, International Solar Alliance, and the Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure. European Union's Green Deal commits to achieving climate neutrality by 2050 and promoting a circular economy, furthering avenues for our collaboration. The European Union-India Water Partnership is moving at an intense pace with joint initiatives covering Ganga and other river basins. For information and communication technologies, the European Union and India engage on issues of standardization, data privacy, 5G, artificial intelligence, and internet governance. The two sides are jointly working on a range of sectors as part of the research and innovation collaboration. The European Union continues to support Indian students, academics, and universities to study, teach, and research at prestigious European educational institutions under European Union-India Higher Education Cooperation. The European Union and India are jointly working within the SDGs framework to accomplish women empowerment, gender equality, and inclusive growth.
Say no to violence against women.
Rich cultural exchanges from movies to tourism to literature form the bedrock of our strong bilateral relations and strengthen our cultural milieus. As we move ahead, the European Union and India together are further widening and deepening our relationship for a sustainable tomorrow.
So, you and India are natural partners, and we want to realize the full potential of our strategic partnership, and we will do so, making this partnership even broader and more ambitious, but always based on mutual trust and a shared vision of the future.